Kuri na uhotekeku ati ng'aragu iria igumiire icigo ngurani guku bururi-ini no iguthie na mbere na makiria muno ihutie icigo ingi ngurani oro undu umwe na mabururi ma Gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro ta Somalia na Sudan ya muhuro. Kuringana na uthuthuria wa ataramu a riera, mbura ya kimera yahota gucererwo ihinda riria rioikaine ta La Nina riria ricungagiririo ni ugaruruku wa riera thiini wa maria maria manene marigiciirie Gitaru kia Afrika.
When the temperatures in the Equatorial Pacific are cooler than normal, that phenomena is called La Nina. And it has to persist for a certain period. It's not that it occurs this month and then next month has reversed and we refer to that as a La Nina. No. It starts evolving or it starts showing around about March, April, May. That's the start. That's when you start seeing cooler than average surface temperatures. At times it comes as early as February, but the maturity is normally in December.
Riboti ino urutitwo hindi ya kigomano kia ataramu a riera kiria kirathie na mbere mwena wa Mobatha.
Timely early warning of such events help the policy makers in planning for the disasters as well as preparing the citizenry to cope with them.
Mugaru na muyoro wa mai uria ucungagiririo ni mbura ya El Nino maumirira ma La Nina ni rohuho na riua inene.
If you go to northern Kenya, for example, you get there's a lot of dust that is thrown into the atmosphere. It affects visibility, so navigation of aircrafts become a problem, and even moving around. There are diseases that are related with the dust and so on and so forth in quite a number of areas in the country. We have forest fires starting in some of the forests because the vegetation is dry.
No ona kuhana uguo, arimi aingi aria twaranirie nao no marathie na mbere kuhariria migunda yao o magietagirira mbura ya kimera.
Tutiri acerere riu ni hindi ya kuhariria migunda, ni hindi migunda iracimbwo twetereire mbura ukwiringaga mwisho wa mweri wa 3.
Mwena wa Nyeri maundu no taguo ona gutuika aingi a arimi ni maratariria ati ndungiringithania kimera kia riu na kimera kia matuku mahituku.
Ngiurie maita ta mugwanja hindi ya tene itari irauma maita ta mana. Mbura nene na ndiguthoga no mbere ni yathongaga taru mweri kuma wa keri tugina na mbura ya twamitaga maguna ng'ombe na yudi iraura tuthie mweri wa 3 tuhande ithie ta kimwe igitinagia ikiongerera kinya mweri wa 4 no hamatukuma ndungihota kuga riere kaura.
Muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia yukite niguo ruhonge rwa riera rutanyitwo kurekereria riboti ya mbere ikonie riera mwaka uyu niguo kuheana mwerekera mukinyaniru oro undu umwe na kugathika mitaratara iria ingibatarania kumana na ugaruruku wa riera. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitaru wa Wandurwa.